Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you my collection of my ReZero Ram and Ram figures. So if you're interested, then let's get started. So I already showed this shelf in my anime figure collection video. There are some new additions to that, but my top shelf is basically only Ram and Ram, so I wanted to show you all of my new ones. So we will start over here with this little Ram sitting over here, and she is super small compared to all the other ones, but she was from the game center and my fiance actually won that. I wasn't there when he did that, but this is just a super cute Ram. I really like this figure, so you can just put her on the side of the shelf. And there's also a Ram that's in a similar collection, like in the same collection with a blue theme, but I really like Ram, and her costume is really nice, and her shoes. I just really like this figure, and yeah, this is how it looks like in the back. So she's just usually chilling over here. Now let's go over here, and this is the latest addition to our collection, and this is also from a game center, and it took quite a long time to get her. She was kind of hard to get. This is like the maid style, so I really like her face. She looks super cute, and I really like her pose and her dress. And in the bottom it has like this big snowflake kind of looking thing, which I really think is really cool. Now we have this one over here, which is also a new one that we bought recently with my fiance together. It was sold in Akihabara at an anime shop, and it was really inexpensive. I think it was like $8, but she is like a devil kind of thing. So as you can see, she has the horns and the tail and the wings, and really cute. And I really like her outfit with her little cute blue shoes and a skirt and the bow and everything. So I really liked it. We were debating between different ones which one to get, but I really like this one the best, so we got that, and I'm super happy. Over here in the back, this is one of probably my favorites. I'm not a huge fan of her face. Like, if you compare these two, this face is so much better than this face. Like, she looks kind of like she's sick or something, but I still really like this figure so much because she has these cats. So as you can see, she's holding a white cat, and a black cat is on her head, and this is how it looks like in the back. So it's also in the same maid costume, and I just love this figure so much regardless of her face. So she's just chilling there in the back. I think I tried to get this at the game center, but I couldn't, and then I just ended up buying it at the store in Akihabara as well. So that's that one. Next up, we have this Ram sitting on a chair, and this is also we got at a game center. It took a really long time to get her, but it was worth it. I really like this figure because she's like sitting on a chair and you can remove her from there. So actually technically you could put her just like this on the side of the shelf without the chair, which is actually really cool. I never really thought about that, but I really like her just really casual kind of sexy look going on. This is how it looks like in the back. So yeah, this is a beautiful figure, and it's also recent. It just came out recently, so I really like it. Next figure is this one, which we got a while ago, and it's also one of my favorite Ram figures because she is wearing the Santa Claus costume, and I love this face. Like, any kind of time that she has this face going on, like in here or in here with her smiling, is just super adorable. So yeah, she has the hat and everything, and a super short skirt, of course. Why wouldn't we have that? But yeah, this is how it looks like. I absolutely love this one so much, and I think we also just bought this at a store somewhere, probably in Akihabara as well. So yeah, this was also at a game center that we got last year. I think it was maybe around spring, but I might be wrong. But I love this one as well. It's really beautiful with the sakura kind of thing going on here. It's perfect for the springtime, and her stand is also in the shape of a flower, which is super cute. And yeah, I really like her facial expression, and the costume is really beautiful. It has flowers even in the back. So yeah, this is another beautiful Ram. And the last Ram we have is this one, and this has to be my number one because this is Alice in Wonderland theme, and as you know, I love Alice in Wonderland, so this is how it looks like. They have another color variety, I think is like brown, but I really like this one because it's like true Alice. And she has the blue dress and the bow, and she's holding a little glass jar. And yeah, in the back it looks like this. So beautiful figure, and she has these like ties and stuff. Yeah, just I love this one so much. Yeah, these are all of the Ram figures that I have, and now let me show you all the Ram. This is a Ram that goes together with the same Alice theme, so she's kind of like a Queen of Hearts inspired, which I also love so much. So as you can see, it's also really Alice in Wonderland like. I love it so much. I like her skirt and everything. It's just such a beautiful figure, and this is also has to be my #1 favorite Ram figure from my collection. Another Ram that we have is this, and she is super gorgeous. She's like a traditional costume kind of look going on, very beautiful. I like how the dress is made. It just looks fantastic, I think. This is how it looks like in the back. I love this figure so much. It's so hard to choose, like, because they're all so beautiful, and because they're in my collection, obviously it means that I really like it. So yeah, that's how this Ram looks like. And last but not least is this Ram from the Red Riding Hood inspired collection. So this is how she looks like. I love this one so much as well. I really like all of those inspired by some kind of a movie or something, like Disney stuff. So this is Red Riding Hood, as you can see. I really want to add more to my collection because they have like Aladdin inspired figures as well, but that's all that we have for now. So I really like this one as well. Pretty much all of the figures that I have with Ram and Ram. I hope you really liked this video. If you have any questions or any comments, please let me know, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!